Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the phone, unlock it, and open Settings. Once done, use the search bar or scroll to Accounts or Users and Accounts. That's where Android lists signed-in services. Tap Accounts to view all linked Google profiles. Make sure you identify the exact Google account associated with YouTube. This is the one you will remove. If multiple entries look similar, expand each to confirm email address. This prevents removing the wrong profile and losing sync data you still need. Now tap the Google account entry linked to YouTube and review sync items shown, because removing will stop mail, contacts, and app data syncing. Once identified, tap the three-dot menu or Remove Account button and choose Remove Account when prompted. Android will ask you to confirm, enter your device PIN, password, or use biometrics if requested. Doing this deletes the account from the device, but not the Google account itself. Make sure you understand that YouTube access on this phone ends immediately. Finish by rebooting the phone to clear cached sessions and ensure YouTube no longer shows that account. After restart, open the YouTube app to verify the account is gone. Sign into a different account if you want continued access. If Android blocks removal, check Settings Security Device Admin Apps and disable any admin rights for apps preventing account removal. As a last resort, backup data and consider a factory reset, but only after confirming removal truly requires that step and you've saved important files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.